Prefix Sum. Store the total reached at every position. We are given the array 2, 4, 1, 3, 6. Build a new array where every position stores the sum from the beginning through that position. This new array is called the prefix sum array. Prefix index 3 includes the values from index 0 through index 3. Add 2, 4, 1, 3. The total is 10, so prefix index 3 contains 10. Repeat the same running total rule at every position. The totals are 2, 6, 7, 10, 16. Therefore, the prefix array is 2, 6, 7, 10, 16. Adding the entire prefix again at every position repeats work. The previous prefix already contains everything before the current value, so add only the new value. Carry that updated running total into the next position. This builds the full prefix array in one pass. Keep the input above an empty prefix row and start the running total at 0. Keep the input above an empty prefix row. A running total will travel from left to right. Move to input index 0, which contains 2. The earlier prefix totals stay unchanged. The previous running total is 0. Add the current value 2 to get 2. Write 2 into prefix index 0. This total now represents input index 0 through index 0. Move to input index 1, which contains 4. The earlier prefix totals stay unchanged. The previous running total is 2. Add the current value 4 to get 6. Write 6 into prefix index 1. This total now represents input index 0 through index 1. Move to input index 2, which contains 1. The earlier prefix totals stay unchanged. The previous running total is 6. Add the current value 1 to get 7. Write 7 into prefix index 2. This total now represents input index 0 through index 2. Move to input index 3, which contains 3. The earlier prefix totals stay unchanged. The previous running total is 7. Add the current value 3 to get 10. Write 10 into prefix index 3. This total now represents input index 0 through index 3. Move to input index 4, which contains 6. The earlier prefix totals stay unchanged. The previous running total is 10. Add the current value 6 to get 16. Write 16 into prefix index 4. This total now represents input index 0 through index 4. The prefix array is complete. Prefix sum comes down to 3 ideas. Each prefix cell covers index 0 through its own index. Carry one running total from left to right. Add only the new value at each position. O of n time and O of n output space. The solution sets up the state for this rule. Store the total reached at every position. Each prefix cell covers index 0 through its own index. Carry one running total from left to right. Add only the new value at each position. O of n time and O of n output space.